हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है। देश के हर राज्य को, हर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश को, हर जिले, हर गांव, हर कस्बे, हर गली मोहल्ले को अब लॉकडाउन किया जा रहा है।
What a difficult time we all are going through every day. Indoors all the time, unnoticed goes our stimulating Sunday. Unexpected it is and will be recorded in our history. Days we have spent with fear and the cause has still remained a mystery. We have clapped and banged on plates for our name. There are a few who deserve the same. Awake all day long, we have our doctors, nurses, and cleaning wing. A salute they deserve and praises we must sing. In such a battle between life and death, they are leading us all, showing us a hope. Once we recover, we will take the call. We have fallen to learn to rise again. Let us pray that their efforts don't go in vain.
आज कोरोना रक्षा हम करते नमन, जिन्होंने अपना जीवन कर दिया है लो सेवा को अर्पण। आज कोरोना रक्षा हम करते नमन, जिन्होंने अपना जीवन कर दिया है लो सेवा को अर्पण। सुना था मैंने, महसूस किया था, ईश्वर है इस धरती पर। डॉक्टरों और कोरोना योद्धाओं के रूप में देख लिया पृथ्वी पर।
Whatever happens, it happens for a reason. These eternally glorious words from the Bhagavad Gita have proved to be true since time immemorial. Truly, whatever happens is always premeditated by destiny for a definite purpose. Even from the worst, we can obtain the best. For instance, if we are to consider the extrapolated state of the affairs, then we surely must have realized that what we have not been able to learn these many years, we have learned in this crucial and adverse condition of pandemic COVID-19, unsurprisingly without putting any effort. Our culture and heritage have always taught us to be compassionate, empathetic, and thoughtful towards others. However, forfeiting these essential virtues, man has most of the time acted unethically, being driven by his selfish motives. But fortunately, this beautiful planet is still not facing the dearth of people who keep the welfare of others as their top priority. Today, when the entire world is standing face to face with a catastrophic situation, there are people who have taken the forefront, coming out of their comfort zone as frontline corona warriors from the bottom of their hearts. Everyone is praying religiously for their well-being. even without expecting anything back. These frontline warriors are also setting an example of how to live for others when it comes to save the entire humanity, even at the risk of their own lives. When entire world is residing in their nests during this worldwide epidemic, there are true warriors who are out exposed to the constant threats of the virus. We acknowledge them as doctors, nurses, hospital staff, chemists, police, traffic police, government officials, cleaning individuals, vegetable and fruit vendors, NGO workers, and lot many other people who are doing a phenomenal job in order to ensure smooth functioning of life and working towards bringing back the normal life once again.
जिंदगी विराम हो गई है, पर तुम्हारा श्रम विराम है। जिंदगी विराम हो गई है, पर तुम्हारा श्रम विराम है। ओह, घर पर हम बैठे हैं, पर तुम्हें आराम नहीं है। ओह, घर पर हम बैठे हैं, पर तुम्हें आराम नहीं है। मुसीबतों की इस घड़ी में आशा की तुम किरण हो, बहुत ही सहजता से निभाकर आगे तुम बढ़ रहे हो।
Whatever tribute we may pay is very less. No words can ever match their sacrifices. We, as Amritians, would like to dedicate our immense gratitude towards each and every individual who is proudly carrying the flag of their duties and responsibilities. It is our duty as well to lend our support to them in every possible way, because individually we are a drop, together we are an ocean.
लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।
दुश्मनों को भी जिसने दिया है सम्मान, भारत तेरी यही पहचान, भारत तेरी यही पहचान। सिर्फ हम ही हैं जिम्मेदार, जैसी परिस्थितियां आई हैं। मान लें हम अपनी गलतियां, इसी में हमारी भलाई है। भारत के वीर सपूतों ने जो वीरता दिखाई है, स्वयं धरा भी उन्हें जन्म देकर मुस्कुराई है। पूरे विश्व में आज शान से लहराया है तिरंगा। वायु हुई स्वच्छ और निर्मल हुई है गंगा। कर रहे हैं आज ये योद्धा पूरे विश्व का नेतृत्व। आओ सब मिलकर बचाएं मानवता का ये अस्तित्व। छोड़ो सारे स्वार्थ, आज मानवता का है इम्तिहान। दुश्मनों को भी जिसने दिया है सम्मान, भारत तेरी यही पहचान, भारत तेरी यही पहचान, भारत तेरी यही पहचान।